This video will be a review and a teardown of a Dtech 2-port high-resolution VGA splitter. The opinions expressed here are my own views and based on my review of this product. With that said, this will be a quick review of this high-resolution splitter. This allows to mirror the computer to dual monitors without having to switch between them. The product claims the unit to have a 250 MHz bandwidth and capable of a 1920 by 1080 resolution, although the photo on Amazon.ca shows it capable of 1920 by 1440. The unit received had 1920 by 1080 imprinted on it. Nicely packaged, like that. Now there's a power supply in here. Power supply, VGA monitor boxes, nicely done. The reason I got this particular model is because it's supposed to be high resolution, so 1920 by 1080 with 250 megs. So it's very solidly built by the looks of it. You basically, now I don't have my cables in yet, so I can't put these. See here. See that? Standard connector on it. So we'll test it out and see how it works. I've taken a screenshot of the Amazon page for the 24-inch 1920 by 1080 LG monitor. I'm not convinced taking a picture of the monitor would do it justice, so this is what we have. The quality appears very good with no artifacts. I'm very happy with the results so far. So I'm going to take apart this Dtech 2-port VGA duplicator, 250 megs bandwidth, resolution of 1920 by 1080. Now it's got just 2 screws on. Quality is so far excellent. And there's the back of it. Comes with the power supply. And this will slide out like that. So very well made, as far as I can tell from the not much to it. What can I say? Not much to it. This is very well made. It's a little bit bigger than I was in it, but I like the rugged build on it, so I'm quite happy actually with this. Makes it easy to very well labeled. Nice case. I like the color. And very well labeled. Came with a power supply, 1 amp power supply. So that's it. Amazon.ca shows it as a 1920 by 1440. The received unit is a 1920 by 1080. The following are the technical specs on the box received and what's listed on the Amazon.ca website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this and kindly provide your valuable comments below.